Okay, I want to share to all of you about how to make half round door leaf in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make the line with this line. Then we can click in here. Then we can move to the upper position around 2.4 meter. Okay, and then we can make the any size of the width of the door. Then we can adjust it. So we can get the plane in here. We can get the plane. Okay, I will show you about the clear drawing. Okay, well, now we can make the 2-point arc. Start from here, then we can click from this position and then click to this position. Okay, well, now we can type 64 hash and enter. Okay, and then maybe we can make the modification on it. We can make the line here. This is about the half round, but we can improve it to make the unique door and the logical door here. Then we can erase it and erase additional line over there. Then we can click the edge. Then we can select move, press Ctrl to this position. Then we can use offset tool, offset it inside with 50 millimeter. Then we can click the line, click from here until click to this position. Then we can delete additional line here, and now we can offset the edge. Just see what I click here. Then we can offset inside 50 millimeter. Okay, then we can delete this plane and delete this plane and another additional line over there. Okay, so we can get the two objects. The first object is door leaf, and the second object or the right side of object is the door frame. Then we can give a thickness for the door frame with any thickness, any size of the thickness, and then we can give the thickness of the door leaf with any size with a proportional and rational thickness. Okay, then we can make group. So then we can select a move, place, and then we can press shift, place to this position. Well, now we can click this door leaf and then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Then we can click and offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Okay, then we can push it to the back just a little, maybe about 5 millimeter only. Okay, well, now we can give the materials with wood or many more materials as you want. Just for example, okay, now we can draw the door handle here with any design. Okay, you can follow me, you can follow my door handle design, or you can create your door handle design over there with your design version. Okay, you can using rectangle, and you can use the round, circle, and many more, and then you can create the grid design, or you can follow my design. Okay, in this case I want to make the this design. Okay, then you can click, then we can make this one. Okay, then we can give a thickness and triple click and make group. Then we can select a scale to make the scale over there, or if we feel it too large, we can make it more thin than before, and we can make it more thin than before, and just okay, I mean it's enough. So then we can select color. Okay, then we can select a black color here. Okay, and make group. We can click this all and make group, and then we can push it this door 20 millimeter. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl. Okay, then we can move to this position. Then we can select a mirror, and then click this green axis and enter. Then we can draw the line from here to this position. Then we can click, and then we can select a move, place to this point and place to this line. Okay, well, so it would be a perfect combination. We can click this one, and select the outer cell. Okay, so it will be group automatically. Okay, then we can select right click, make component, create. Then we can select move, press Control, place to this position. Then we can select a mirror, click this screen. Okay, then we can move to the appropriate position of the door handle itself in this position, so we can get it. So, okay, so we can make it to be one group, and we can rotate. Okay, we can rotate it. Okay, well, I mean, it was finished, so we can change the style to make it more clear enough. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial video. Thank you.